Alright, I'm calling this puppy the Strike Griffon. As you might be able to tell, it's a night attack, G.I. Joe night attack helicopter that I have customized. The blades are actually from an RC helicopter. I think they're 350. I ordered them from China. They take a while to get here. They're a little shorter than I wanted them to be, but in order to clear the tail rotor, they had to be a little bit short. I like that this is both an attack and a transport helicopter. It's got soldiers in it. And the blades, or actually the missiles, have little decals on them, which I thought looked really good. And so the blades. Yeah, put little details on the front, including the shark mouth, which I like. There's Shipwreck if you can see him. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's a top view and a back view. Yeah, I might make another one of these. I have another spare night attack helicopter that I haven't used yet that I can put stuff on. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.